Hey guys, what's going on? Redrive garage here. I wanted to show you guys something on these late second gen Cruzes. After I've just sat here and fought most of the afternoon, there's not a good video on YouTube of how to get these intercoolers off right. And I found an easy way instead of pushing this down and pulling that down and all the other BS. When you got that in your, let me get you guys in. Okay, the bottom part's there and then your upper part. Get a flathead about like this. And then get you another one, smaller one. And here's your bottom, here's your top. Push down on that top and take the little one and push in on this and it'll pop right off. I wish I would have done that 3 hours ago, but there's not a good video on there. And a lot of the guys won't know how to do this either. This clip on this charge pipe, all you got to do on these is pop them out at the bottom, and there's a little notch right there at the top on both sides, and it pulls right off. But look how much oil's in this thing, because it's just not big enough. Let me get you guys in there. Look at that, that thing is freaking full of oil. Blow by, needs a catch can. All these little turbos need catch cans, I don't care. Dave's Cruze World's probably the best cruise site on YouTube, and he knows these cars inside and out as well. And when he says they need a catch can, believe me guys, they need a catch can, because I'm gonna try to get you guys in here. Look at that. That whole thing is full of blow-by oil. Here's my little screw. There we go. Look at that crap. That's nuts. But if you got a Cruze, guys, first, second gen turbo, do yourself a favor and put a catch can in it. And if you can, upgrade your intercooler, because these just aren't good enough. Even at stock, these aren't good enough for these cars. And go on Dave's Cruze World. I don't know the guy well, but I've talked to him a few times. He's a good dude. And he makes pipes, charge pipes for these, so you don't get boost leaks around these where you always do and get P101. And it says you got low boost, and everybody thinks it's their boost sensor. No, it's because you got boost. See, look at all that blowback even on the outside of this thing. It's crazy. But that's it for now. I'm building this sleeper. Finally got in the mood to do it. But I'll see you guys next time. But yeah, on second gen Cruze intercoolers, get a long flathead in your top bracket. Right there. And then take a smaller one and push down on this and push in on that at the same time. It'll pop right out. None of that BS about, I'll just put your fingers in the back of the intercooler and pull down until you hear a pop. Yeah, that's because you've already got it done. It don't work that way in the real world, guys, unfortunately, for us poor guys. But that's it for now, guys. Peace out and enjoy your weekend.